Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach the colorful party eye makeup look. First I am using the pink color eyeshadow for the transition shade and using the small blending brush, blend it on your eyes. Next I am using the mood shadow for outer corner of your eyes and using the small blending brush, pushing the color inside of our eyes. After blending the eyeshadow, next using the flat brush, I am applying the peppermint shimmer to the inner corner of the eye. I am using the blue color eyeshadow to outer wing side. Using flat brush, I am applying concealer to clean the edges and wing line. Using the liquid eyeliner, I am lining the eyeline to attach it to my eyelash line. The brow bone using the small brush. Using the lighter color shimmer shade, highlighting inner corner also. Applying the liner to sharpen the inner corner of eyes. Next I am using the coal kajal to waterline. Next I am using the peppermint eyeshadow to lower lash line and blending it properly. Next I am applying the mascara to my eyelashes. This makeup look, I am applying the lashes with the help of the glue. This is the final result we achieved. The colorful party eye makeup look. If you like this look, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.